we hit 1,000 subs and we're gonna be giving away some stuff, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so welcome back, guys. Yeah, so big news, the channel finally hit 1,000 subs. We hit that sometime last week. I think last week Monday, give or take. So thanks to all you guys who subscribed, who shared, who commented, and did all the good stuff. It's been a fun journey. So next up is to bigger and better things. The channel is about I think we created a channel about January or February 2018, so roughly 2 years since we created the channel, and yeah, it's been a fun journey. I learned a lot. I enjoyed making these videos, guys, so here's to another 1,000 subs down the road. So again, thanks to all you guys. So yeah, I guess in recognition and in celebration of the 1,000 sub achievement, that is something I've been wanting to do for a while. I want to give away some remote tune time. I know it's a really tough time. The world is going for a really tough time right now with the lockdown and persons being stuck at home and not being able to go anywhere. A lot of bad news. A lot of persons have fallen sick. Persons are dying. We're losing loved ones. Frontline workers, anyways. Yeah, to take our mind off all of that, what I want to do is to give away some remote tuning time to anybody. Doesn't matter, as long as it's, I guess, Speeduino. Since we give it back to the Speeduino community, since the channel is pretty much built on the Speeduino platform. Yes, so we're going to be doing mainly Speeduino remote tune. I do Mega Squirt and some AEM, well, pretty much any standalone or issue is the same, but we're mainly going to give back to the Speeduino community for now. So Miatas, Hondas, whatever it is you're running on your Speeduino. I am not sure how exactly I'm going to go about picking who I choose to do the remote tune for. Maybe you guys have some ideas. Leave it down in the comment section. I have my Instagram, same thing is just DCwerx, so I'm not sure if we can do a hashtag or something, but in any case, the idea is just to give back to, I guess, you guys. You guys made me hit the 1,000 subs, so that's my way of giving back. So I will try to do that, and then we can possibly do a live stream maybe every other week or so. I guess it'll help everybody with the boredom and whatnot. I'm still at work, just unlike most folks, but yeah, so that's my idea. Let me know what you guys think of the idea. Yeah, other than that, at the end of this video, I'm just going to leave a couple of clips of a remote tune I did. It's a young guy, Matthew. I think he's from North Carolina. He has a NA Miata with a 1.6 stock 1.6 liter with a GT 2560R turbo. Pretty cool story. He's a 22-year-old, if I remember correctly. He taught himself how to do all his own mechanics. Taught himself how to turbo a car, which is pretty cool. At the age of 22, I don't think I was able to turbo cars just yet. Yeah, but that's pretty awesome. He had a plug-and-play Speeduino. Speeduino, I think he bought it from Speedy EFI. I'm not sure where he got it from, but he has a plug-and-play Speeduino. The car worked okay, but he pretty much needed some help. He has one of my base maps, and then we pretty much just got it dialed from there. He's a drifter, so he had a drift event about 2 days after the recording of the video. So we're just trying to get the car dialed. It's on 7 or 8 pounds if I recall correctly. The next step is to take it to a dyno. Unless it's pretty safe, doesn't have much ignition in it at all, and it's a little bit on the rich side, but then he's drifting, so just trying to get him out there to enjoy the car. So I threw some clips in there. So the video format may take that format when we actually do it, but I may actually just stream directly from my laptop and then probably have those little small windows in the side, on this side of the screen. Yeah, and then yeah, so we'll try our best to make it look cool and informative, so everybody can learn something whilst we go along. So thanks again for the 1,000 subs, guys. I think right now, last time I checked, we're about 1,030 last time I checked, give or take. So thanks to all you guys, and enjoy the rest of the video, and stay safe Remember, you're your brother's keeper in this time of need, so look out for each other, and catch you guys on the next video. Take care.
Yeah, I'm noticing we're removing fuel, but I'm not seeing the white band moving at all.
Well, before it was in the high 10s, and now it's in the low 11s.
Yeah.
Or now it's, well, it fluctuates a little bit.
Okay, but what's the gauge showing?
Like 11.1, 2, 3,
Okay.
kind of fluctuating from there.
Okay. Okay, that's fair. So we're just gonna keep trimming some fuel from the idle portion.
Okay. Yeah, now it's pretty much matching what Tuner Studio is saying.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're idling somewhere about mid-14s, give or take.
Yep.
All right. So we're just now taking out some fuel globally across the map. Does it feel smooth?
Oh yeah, it feels good now.
Yeah, I'm leaving it a bit safer, richer than what I would normally tune for. Mainly because it's a drift vehicle, since you'll be wide open throttle a lot of the time.
Right.
Yeah, so it's a bit richer than what I would normally tune, I guess, a road car for, but better safe than sorry.
Yeah, I'd rather be like a little bit more conservative.
Yeah.
Because honestly, I want to safely be able to just like bounce off limiter, like I don't care.
Yeah, yeah. So that's
But
what
I
I'm going
secretly
for.
do care.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm going for. We're trying to have a healthy balance between boost, power, and reliability. Because again, you have the stock motor, so very thin rods and everything. Yeah, so we don't after all of that hard work, we don't want a rod or piston letting go just yet.
That's the next big thing is getting another motor and building it with forged rods and pistons.
Yeah, that especially for what you're doing, I highly recommend that. All right, put it in fifth.
Fifth?
Yeah, fifth gear. All right, so come down in speed, leave it in fifth gear, and come down to just off. Yeah, come down to as low as you can go.
Okay.
Slow it down as much as you can. And then when you bring it, you'll just stab the throttle a bit. Stab the throttle and then take it up to red line.
Hold on. I just saw a cop. As soon as you said put it at the red line, I just see a cop out the corner of my eye.
Yeah, you just tell him, officer, I can explain. I am data logging. All right, so come down in speed. Put it in fifth.
Yes, he did not turn around. That was so awesome. That looks so illegal right now. Oh yeah, I definitely got wheel spin.
Yeah, I'm just happy you're enjoying it.
Oh yeah. Honestly, this is like the best help that I've had. Out of all of my friends, I'm the only one that has actually turboed a car.
Well, that's impressive.
So, well, whenever I run into issues, I have nobody to get help. So
Yeah.
you've been really helpful these past few days.
Yeah, it's been my pleasure, man. I know what it takes when you I know what it is when you're struggling. I too have been down that road. Yeah. Yeah, when it's green, just do a second gear pull for me. So just put it in second, leave the light in second, and just take it up to red line or as far as you can take it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just going to start a log, so. Yeah, so anytime you're ready.
Yeah, I'm just waiting at a red light right now. Okay, here we go. There's like 2 cars in front of me, so I'm gonna go slow.
Yeah, so just.
I can create some.
Yeah, so let's put it in second. What was that?
I got side.
Going sideways.
Yeah. Alright, second gear, here we go.
Alrighty, that's good.
I have a question. Is it safe or normal for me to hear the exhaust pops at limiter?
Yeah, yeah. At limiter, it's basically cutting spark. So you'd hear some backfiring or some popping when you get on the limiter.
Yeah, it sounds real tough.
What was that?
Like gunshots.
It sounds like gunshots?
I said it sounds like gunshots, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we need to make it a bit less aggressive.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, I can imagine.
I race go-karts. I go to the same go-kart. It's like an indoor go-kart place with my friends.
Mm-hmm.
And it does not compare to how much fun.
I
I actually drove past my house because I forgot because I was having too much fun.
That's funny, man. Yeah, but I'm just happy. I'm just happy after all of the troubles you went through, you know, turboing your car yourself.
Oh yeah, me too. I feel like this is the reason why we build cars, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
It can be a huge pain, but
when
we get to this point.
Yeah, when they work and they work good, they're so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like I said, I'm just really happy that you're having fun.
Yeah, I can't wait for Sunday.
But the alternator mod we made, you might have to do something about that.
Yeah, if you let me know, you said it was like an ohm resistor and a diode?
Yeah. Well, as per the when we get off when we're done, I will WhatsApp you the details about what you need.
Okay.
All right. So it's just a matter of just putting a resistor in place of the bulb.
All right. It's probably gonna take me like 10 minutes to find the spark plug socket.
Sure.
It looks like a tornado went through my garage.
I know the feeling.